Well, we had strong winds yesterday. Will the strong winds and stormy weather stick with us? You can find out next. Hi, welcome to this Friday edition of The Weather People. I'm student meteorologist Quincy Vagell. Remember those strong winds we had yesterday? There were some reports of trees and power lines down across the region, but those winds are not with us today. Those winds are diminishing. They're still with us, but they're not as strong as they were yesterday. We have more seasonable temperatures working in, so a bit cooler, but also dry conditions. No more big storms on the horizon. That storm brought us strong gusty winds yesterday. Let me show you some peak wind gusts. We reached 45 at Danbury. A wind report gusted to 51 at New Canaan, and the strongest wind gust across the tri-state region was 65 down in Brooklyn, New York. So strong, damaging winds were with us yesterday, but those winds are not with us today. We have mostly sunny skies right now, some clouds to our northeast, and those clouds will continue to pull off towards the northeast. Those are pulling away with that storm system that brought us the strong gusty winds yesterday. There's a weak disturbance over here in the Ohio Valley. This is going to pass off towards our south. And look at this storm in the Midwest. But guess what? That storm is not going to affect us either. That storm will move off towards our south as well. So we have mainly fair skies to worry about over the next several days. For today, mostly sunny skies and seasonable with highs in the upper 30s. Those winds northwest at 6 to 12 miles per hour are breezy, but not nearly as strong as they were yesterday. These highs across the region will range from the upper 30s to the mid 40s. These are pretty typical for this time of the year. Not nearly as mild as it was yesterday when we had highs in the 50s. Remember we had highs in the 60s a few days ago? I don't see 60s anytime soon. Tonight, definitely not 60s, with lows in the upper teens, mostly clear and chilly, but again, seasonable for this time of the year. Nothing too out of the ordinary for February. Lows across the region tonight will range from the upper teens to lower 20s, except the mid-20s along the shoreline will be a little bit milder. For the day tomorrow, plenty of sunshine again. It will be seasonably mild, a few degrees warmer than today, with a high of 43 degrees, and winds northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. We have plenty of sunshine over the next few days. Upper 30s today. The weekend should feature highs in the low to mid 40s with lows at night around 20 degrees. And looking ahead to the beginning of next week, a little bit cooler, but still not that cool for this time of the year, with highs in the mid 30s and lows at night falling back to around 20. Well, I hope you enjoyed today. It's going to be a nice day, and we have plenty of nice conditions to deal with over the next several days. This has been student meteorologist Quincy Vagell. Thanks for watching this edition of The Weather People, and I hope you have a great weekend.